Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Unlock your iPhone, confirm SSID and exact password, then open Shortcuts. Once done, tap the plus to create a new shortcut. You'll add a text action first. Type the Wi-Fi payload exactly as Wi-Fi S your SSID, T WPA, P your password, replacing fields with your info. Make sure to pick the correct encryption type. Use NAPass for open networks. This single text action holds the network string that the QR generator will convert into a scannable code. Now you'll build the conversion flow. After the text action, tap plus and search for Generate QR code or Make image from text. Pass the text output into it. Once done, add Quick Look so you can preview the QR immediately, and then add Save to Photo Album to keep a copy. Tap the settings icon, name the shortcut like Wi-Fi QR, and optionally add it to home screen. Make sure the actions are ordered. Text right arrow generate QR, right arrow quick look, right arrow save. Run the shortcut and Quick Look will display the QR code. Point another phone's camera at it, and the device should recognize the Wi-Fi payload and prompt to join. Once joined, you can save or share the image via messages or AirDrop. If scanning fails, make sure you type the payload exactly, no extra spaces or wrong punctuation, and verify the encryption tag, WPA versus NAPass. Also confirm the password contains no unsupported special characters. If it does,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.